Today concept to dynamic handling web table. Dynamic handling web table. So for example, I have one web table. So this is the table header. A, B, C. This is the table headers. So this XPath is TR1, TR1. TR1 means table row 1, TH1, TR1, TH1. This is TR1, TR1, TH2. This is TR1, TH3. This is TR1, TH4. TR1, TH4, table header 4. Right. Next, this is TR2, TD1, TR2, TD2. This is TR3, TD3, TR2, TR2 only, TR2, TD3, TR2, TD3. This is TR2, TD4. So, if you want to get the data from web table, we will use this concept to dynamic handling web table concept. So so here row count start with 1, row count start with 1, row count start with 1, cell count start with 0. You should remember this thing. Row count start with 1, cell count start with 0. So if you want to get the data from web table, we will use this concept. So for example, I need this web element XPath. I need this web element XPath. So if you want that web element XPath dot at the rate star at the rate id equal to main table. So if you get the only table XPath, we can find the web element XPath. If you know the web element XPath, we can find out the table XPath. Okay. If you know table XPath, we can find out the web element XPath. If you know the web element XPath, we can find out the table XPath. So I will show you with the proof. I will show you with the proof. So we need one table. Here is no table. Check for the table need. We need one table. This is very long. Yes, this is the table we have. So I want to get the total content of the table. Observe carefully. This table XPath is main. So at the rate id equal to main div3 div div3 div3 div. This is the total table XPath. This is the total table XPath. If you want only single element XPath, so at the rate id customers tbody tr2 td2 tr2 td2. See, country is the table header tr1 th1, contact tr1 th2, country tr1 th3. So next one tr2 td1, tr2 td2, tr2 td3. So if you know the table XPath, we can find out that web element XPath. So after table we should write tbody that XPath, that web element XPath. If you know table XPath, we can find out the web element XPath. If you know web element XPath, we can find out the table XPath. Okay, before tbody, that is the table XPath. Before tbody, see, once again I will show you.
Akhil, what is a THTD? What is the difference between D and H?
D means data cells, tr means table row, table row.
So
Okay.
I mean the first row will be TH and after that will be TD, right?
This is the table
Yes,
header.
mine is also same question.
Table header. This is the only first one line. That is table headers. Table headers. This is
Okay, can you show the I mean the lower rows like Ronald, Austria, UK, or can you show me?
uh, see. This is one TR5 TD1.
Okay,
TR
so data will be 1, 2, 3, and the row will change, right?
row, same row. So in the row, this is also table row. TD2, TR5 TD3, TR5 TD3. This one TR6 TD1. You got TR6 TD2, TR6 TD3. So this one TR7 TD1, TR7 TD2, TR7 TD3. So we can get the total contents of the table. So how we can get? So first of all, individually we can get the table contents, or total. If you want total content of the table, both we can take. Go to Eclipse. Yes. Today concept to dynamic handling web table. Go to SRC. Take the new class web. Keep the mark public static void menu, click on finish. So if you want the total content of the table, first of all we should get the table rows and the table columns, tr data and the td data. Tr data and the td data we need. So write the code, simple code, it's very easy. You can work with any web table. Right, WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. I am giving web element table XPath table www.w3schools.com html tables.asp. So this is the table XPath. So total site XPath I am giving. Web element to table equal to wd dot find element by XPath. I am giving table XPath. So this is the old XPath. Now XPath was changed. This is the table XPath. It is taking this one or that one. Just wait. We are taking another table. I am taking small table. Hmm. This is also table. ID main table. Give the site name. Alright. So web element to table equal to web element to table equal to wd dot find element by XPath. I am giving table XPath. Next I need tr data. List web element. List web element rows equal to table dot find elements tag name tr. Tag name tr. Find elements. If you want to get the total tr data, if you want to get the total trs number of rows, we will use this list web element rows equal to table dot find elements. Not only the element, single element, we are taking multiple elements, we are concentrating on by tag name tr. For int I equal to 1, I less than rows dot size. Already I told you row count start with 1, no, cell count start with 0. So here for I equal to comment it. So for int I equal to 1, I less than rows dot size, I plus plus. For loop already we discussed. List web element cells equal to rows dot get I, find elements packed tag name td. So we can get the number of rows and number of columns. Save. Individual also we can get the total contents. Actually my health is not good. So compulsory I need to go to hospital. So tomorrow holiday na, okay, no problem.
Still, it's okay if you're not well, then we can continue later
Oh, no need, no need.
on
Just
Monday
one
maybe.
or two concepts.
Yeah, sure. But if you want to take a
Actually,
rest, then
stomach
fine.
pain, heavy stomach pain. Yesterday, have taken only one class. That's yours. After that, totally rest.
That's what. If you want to take rest, then from my side, it's okay. I don't mind.
No problem, no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah. Even for me,
Oh,
maybe one
this
after
is
this
very,
we
very
can
severe
take
pain.
rest.
Just like gas trouble, something. So it attack. Yes, we can get the total content of the table. Now tell me your question. My question is. So I want only B. I want only B. How we can write only? Okay, leave it. I want to defines market. This text I want defines marked highlighted text. I want only that line only. How we can write? Tell me. Just we need to change the for loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Row number is 11th. Row number 11. I want to total data. Save only 11. Only 11th data. Where is console? Windows show view console. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay.
Okay, sorry, my connection disconnected.
Okay, okay. If you want to get the specific data, we can get from application. So if you want total contents or individual also, we can get it. Yes. So if you want only single row, so directly we can give. Only now you want only defined only this one defines marked and highlighted text. So what should I do? Only I want that line only. I want only that line. Only defines marked highlighted text only. So how we can write? So just we need to change the column value like j equal to 1. J equal to 1. So here 0 na, just j equal to 1. So we can get the only that one defines marked highlighted text.
Why
Save.
why why J equal to 1?
J equal to 1 means that is count start with 0. So mark
Yeah, so
mark is 0, defines is 1.
yeah, column is starts with 0, so it's 1, right?
Yes. So we can get now only defines marked highlighted text only. Save, click on run. Yes. Defines marked highlighted text. So if you want individually, we can get the same code we can use. If you want a total content of the table, same. So just we need to change I and j values. Based on your I and j, it will print in console. So that is dynamic handling web table concept. That is dynamic handling web table concept. Next concept, how to,
Actually, what if you wanted to, I mean, what if you want to take the entire table? How, I mean, what do you, if you want to print the entire one?
you want entire table.
Yeah, so what do we do?
So just keep it I equal to 1, j equal to 0.
Okay, so how will it terminate? I mean, this for loop, there should be some termination, right?
I equal to 1, j equal to 0. So you can get the total content of the table. So individually, if you want, just we need to change the I value and j values. That is the concept. So he has left to.
If you want to, like only not all of them, just few of them, not only single one, two, three.
If you want only single one, just go. This is the I value. Just we need to change the
No, no, no,
values.
no. Not the single one. I
Hmm.
mean two, three columns.
2, 3 columns. So just we should give like, so you want 8 onwards. 8 to 9 to 10 you need. So just write 8. Save,
Mhm.
click on run. 2 rows, 3 rows will come.
So what if you want only 1 from 8?
If you want a total table or if you want individually, we can get. Now I am writing 8.
Okay, yeah, so what I'm asking is, I mean, according to this one, you're saying that if you just give the value, it will take the entire table. I mean, from which point you're giving, it will take the entire one, right?
Oh
So what I'm
yes.
asking is, what if you want just one element from the center?
One element.
What if you want just one element from the center, just one element?
Just to this last example, that is j equal to I wrote 1. So it will get only the text defines something. So if you want to get the only single text, you go see here 3 rows came. I gave you 8. 8 to 9 to 10. 3 rows came.
Okay, good.
Okay.
What if I want only one row, 8 row, row
8
number
row.
8, just 8,
No,
just
no,
row
no.
number 8 and just one element?
Oh, no, 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 no. We can't get like that. Only row number 8. Remaining all will come. If you want only the row number 10, we can get it.
Yeah, that's
Only.
what I'm asking. Just one
No, no,
element.
no.
I want just
There is no chance. There is no chance. If you want only middle of the row, there is no chance. If you want the only particular row, we have another method where we have another concept. So here only we can get the last values like 10th row. If you want to 10th row, we can get the 10th row and one column also. Okay.
okay.
All right. This is the one concept over. Next concept, how to find out year, month, over or not. Year, month, date, hours, minutes, seconds. How to find out current system date? We can get it. It's over or
We are already done with this concept.
okay? Already here also over. All right. Next concept too. Checkbox also over. How to get the text from web application? How to get the text from web application? If it is any button text, if you want to get the any text from web element, go to SRC, take the new class, get text. Keep the mark public static void main, click on finish. How to get the text from web element? Only single text I need. How to get the text from web element? We will use get text method. WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd dot get http facebook.com. Web element reference name element equal to wd dot find element by id. So I'm giving id or expert or value name, whatever you want you can give it. System dot out dot println element dot get text. So we can get the text from web element. We can get the text from web element. Save, click on run. Yes, create an account. I gave create an account expert ID, so we can get the only single web element expert. So we can get the text from web element. We can get the text from web element. Here we are using get text method. Get text method. Get to text to method. Web element hit and white is over. Page down and page up also over. How to select total text? So control A. Keys dot control plus A, we can get the total text. We can select the text. We can select the text from web element, web page. So if you want to concentrate on total page, we will use CSS selector. Already I told you. So if you take CSS selector, always we will use body only. So if you want to select the total text in page, so we will use here control plus A, keys dot control plus A, keys dot control. If it is normal also keyboard operation only, so control plus A, so we can get the total text. We can select the total text. We can select the total text. And how to this page load time also finished, right? How much time taking to load your page using Selenium, right? Or not?
Yeah.
Yes sir.
Okay.
How much time to taking to
Yes,
load
we
a
did.
page?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, we are done with it.
It's over.
Yeah.
Load time. WebDriver w equal to Firefox driver long start equal to system dot current time millis, and I'm going to Google and just take the finish time, and if you want the total time, finish minus start. So what is the time taking to perform load a page? So using Selenium concept. Right. Yes. Main concepts is over. Okay. Excel sheet files I will tell you later. Okay. So if you want to work with Excel sheet separately, we need to add POI files. We need to add POI files. So in the Selenium life cycle, I will teach you this Excel files. Next, how to get the RGB colors based on coordinates. How to get RGB colors based on coordinates. Coordinate, X coordinate and Y coordinate. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Robot R equal to new robot. wd.get http google.com system.out.println or dot get pixel color. Get pixel color 20 comma 40 20 x coordinate to y 40 y coordinate. So based on coordinates we can get the RGB colors red to blue or red to green to blue GB blue. Based on coordinate we can get the RGB colors. Based on coordinates we can get the RGB colors or red to 255 255 255. So here we are using robot are equal new robot. So this is the just your homework. Up to now we discussed some concepts like so just tell me, list out all predefined classes and all predefined methods. Predefined classes and predefined methods. What is the main difference between predefined classes and predefined methods? If it is method, no need to add any import statement. If it is predefined class, then we need to add the import statements. For example, WebDriver is a predefined class. Firefox driver is a predefined class. So robot is a predefined method. Get pixel color is method. Method. So just list out all predefined classes and predefined methods. Got it, madam? So here WebDriver is a predefined class, Firefox driver is a predefined class, and just like by is a predefined class. So just compulsory we need to add statements that is called predefined classes. Now find out same to as it is, just to find predefined class. I need predefined classes and predefined methods. Already we discussed nearly 30 to 40 concepts. So already how many we discussed? Predefined classes as well as predefined methods. Okay, that is today's session. I am not able to sit here, so very dangerous. I'm suffering from stomach pain. Okay, this is today class, and tomorrow we don't have any class. Monday compulsory we have class, I think. So based on my situation.
Yeah, Akhil, see, I mean, if you are busy, just just send a ping, Akhil.
Which one?
See, I mean, if you're